Hey there homeowners, welcome back to another episode with Golden Rule, Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. I'm Bobby Johnson and I'm excited to talk to you about an incredible HVAC solution that's been making waves in the industry, the Daikin FIT DX6VS. Now let's dive right into the features of this game-changing unit. First off, check out this sleek design. It's compact and slim, making it absolutely perfect for homes where outdoor space is at a premium. And guess what? It's not just good looking, it's also super quiet. No more noisy disruptions to your daily life. Now, what really sets the Daikin FIT DX6VS apart is its variable speed compressor. This means you get precise temperature control, all while saving energy and keeping those utility bills in check. And let's talk efficiency. With SEER ratings of up to 18, this unit is a real energy-saving superstar. Plus, it features smart inverter technology, which optimizes energy usage for even greater efficiency. Now, who can benefit from this amazing HVAC system? Well, pretty much anyone. Whether you're in a single-family home or a townhouse or a multi-unit complex, the Daikin FIT DX6VS is a perfect fit. Its compact design makes it ideal for homes with limited outdoor space, while its energy-efficient operation makes it a great choice for environmentally conscious homeowners like yourself. Now, I know what you're thinking, how much will this cost me? Well, prices typically range from $16,000 to $19,000 for the complete HVAC system, which includes the furnace. But remember, the exact cost can vary depending on factors like your home size and installation requirements. That's why it's always best to consult a qualified HVAC professional for an accurate estimate. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a reliable, energy-efficient, and space-saving HVAC solution for your home, the Daikin FIT DX6VS is the answer. Contact us at Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical to learn more about how this innovative system can transfer your home comfort. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay comfortable out there.